Mga kaibigan, dito po sa US, ganito po ang ginagawa kapag may termites yung bahay. How much now they charge for the fumigation?
Depends on how big your house.
How about that one?
This one, pretty tall. They probably charge maybe 16, 17.
All 1,700?
Yeah, if there's no space underneath.
Oh, how long it will take?
I'm gonna leave this on till Monday.
For 3 days?
Yeah, Monday.
Oh, okay.
How many nights maximum?
Say 3 days? Not 3 nights? How many nights?
They'll be out tonight, tomorrow, and Sunday night.
3 nights?
Oh, good.
Okay, good. Si mga kabayan dito sa US,
Come back.
kapag ang
Monday evening.
bahay merong termites,
Monday, oh, you mean the termites?
nagpapafumigate.
People, how soon can
Termites?
No,
No,
how
you're gonna-
soon can the termites come back?
Usually about 5 to 6 years.
Oh, they won't come back for 5 years?
5 to 6 years.
Yeah, itong fumigation na ganito, 5 to 6 years ang itatagal bago ka uli magpa-fumigate. Then ganyan po ang style dito, tinatalokbungan ng mga bahay. Ganyan po, mayroong tangke na ipapasok. Ay, may ginagamit, may mga hose na ipapasok sa loob ng tent para mamatay yung mga termites.